Okay, today we're going to pick some of these cucumbers. Look at these guys. Jossalyn's gonna cut it.
Okay.
So hold the cucumber.
Hold this? No, it's short, it's short.
I'll hold it, go ahead. Whoa, look at the size of this guy. These are called heirloom Boston pickling cucumbers. But you gotta hold it, Joss. Here's another one. Look at this big one down here. Get it. Right there. All right, look at this. Beautiful. We got 4 today, Romeo.
Whoa.
He loves his vegetables.
Mom, can I try a little piece of it?
And we got these growing. It says that you can take them when they turn yellow, or if you leave them on long enough, they'll even get red.
Mommy, I see one down there. No, look at that one.
Jossalyn's gonna try our very first cucumber.
It's too hard.
Take a bite. How is it?
Good.